shit's getting sketchy. So we don't have the right ramps. Those wheels are not gonna work. Harry says jack it up and says jack it up and then did it halfway up there. Whole thing is for the shit not to fall off the trailer. All right, so me and Dad going to pick up the car to get it to paint. It's paint time finally, but it's not meaning that it's going to be back anytime soon. We might not see this car for 6 months or more, but you haven't seen it for 2 years, so what the hell? Let me see what they got going on. Hola, señores. I am here to pick up the teggy shit. Oh, those straps are probably not going to work. Right there, so there it is, picking up the tag. They got it strapped down, looking pretty. Oh, they use Husky, so that actually might work pretty damn good right there. Got the OEM side skirts in there, which we'll need those, so I'm glad they put them in there. Also, got that pretty much primed up, but the body guide do the rest. Cut up, these are gonna come off, but we still wanna paint them in case the carbon wants to break. There's the hood on. We don't have a hood latch, so we'll strap that down, get it all done up. This is the resto dolly that I bought and had so we can transport it and hopefully it could be painted on. I don't think we're gonna do the whole undercourt. Might have them just paint in there. Shit's getting sketchy. So we don't have the right ramps. Those wheels are not gonna work. Harry says jack it up and says jack it up and then did it halfway up there. Whole thing is for the shit not to fall off the trailer. I guess nothing like the car falling off on the way to the body shop. What a better place to fall off on the way to the body shop, right?
Don't say that.
Right. I'm gonna let you all know, if that shit falls off, this whole vlog series is over with. Next thing you'll see is a 64 Impala being worked on. This shit'll be done. Widebody will be up for sale, custom wheels for sale. I gotta get all my money out of that shit. we got a plan. So the plan is, we're gonna take these ramps, gonna put plywood on top of these ramps, jack it up, put the dolly on the plywood and ramps, and then just push it up. That's what we're planning to do. Right now I'm hungry. These things happen when you're doing this type of stuff. It happens. It's part of the game.
Well, he left me with the camera.
Yeah, so if I push this over, yep, and like this.
All right, so success. Dad is strapping it up. We finally got the car on the trailer. This actual resto dolly is pretty damn good quality, especially the casters, especially for right now. I don't know what it'll be like 5 years later, but right now it worked in a very compromising situation. But now Dad is strapping the piss out of this car because we don't want it to come off of the trailer on the way, because if it does, then this project, like I said, is over. So our next stop is the paint shop. So next time we get ready, which will be very soon, we're probably gonna stop and get something to eat, but you don't want to see me eat, right? You don't want to see eat, you want to see a bunch of travel footage. We're gonna stop, get something to eat, and then get this to the paint shop and drop it off. So then let's see what that looks like real soon.
And see if you even like.
Oh, let's check it out.
I love the blade.
So we finally got here. We're at the paint shop. Yes, it was a nice travel, long distance. That's how it goes sometimes. You find yourself, the car was initially probably going to be shipped to Texas to be painted, until a spot opened up at this paint shop that I've really been trying to get with, and now they've accepted us. This is our acceptance state. So now it's time for paint and body to start. Not necessarily right today, but it is getting ready to go into that phase. Back in the car in right now, trying to get around this corner. What's the business? So we're at the paint shop inside. Dad's talking to Josh. This is the man that's gonna be in charge of painting the car from here on out. We had a lot of goofy shit last time, so hopefully we don't have goofy stuff this time. Josh seems up on the up, and definitely seems like he knows what the hell he's doing. So hopefully the project turns out right and things go according to plan. So, but you know, things never go according to plan. So that's never really happens. All right, so that's another day gone. Now it's time to just leave the car there and forget about it because things take a lot of time. So there's no sense in thinking about next week, the week after. We're talking about maybe a 6-month type wait right now with paint and everything else that has to be done. And then we're still talking about another 6 months out of paint, getting the motor, getting the suspension, all that stuff put back on. So it's just time to let it be, carry on with life. Find something to do, make more money so you can pay for more parts, and yeah, time to ride out. All right, peace. See y'all soon. Thanks for tuning in and watching another video here at Wolfpack Performance. Check out some of my other content on Formula One issues, our topics, and our DIY products on how to customize your vehicle. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.